Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. So I am Shivang back with a new video on my YouTube channel S Empirical. So first of all, thanks for being my subscribers, and thank you for giving me so love and affection to my first video. Now I am presenting my second video on my channel. In this video I am riding my Dominar 250 from Lucknow to Delhi. So I am taking the Agra and Yamuna Expressway, and as you can see, my bike is fully loaded. There's a tail back of garden gears, so it is completely loaded, and I'm at the mid of my journey. So I have completed around 200 kilometers on Agra Expressway, and I have halted here for refueling and taking a break. Yes, so in this particular video I would be sharing all the stats, at what time I have left for Delhi from Lucknow, what was the total fuel cost that that my bike have consumed, and apart from that I would also be telling you the top speed and all that I have tested, and how reliable was the bike all through the journey. So it is a journey for around 530 kilometers, and I am heading towards Gurgaon via Yamuna and Taj Expressway. After reaching Delhi, I would be sharing all the stats and the fuel consumption and all. Since I do not have a helmet mount, so I would not be showing you the top speed of this bike because it would be risky on the expressway, riding bike with holding the camera on my hand. So yeah. Apart from that, you may see all the trucks and all the vehicles are going on this expressway. This is the Agra Lucknow Expressway, and this is the hotel where I have taken the break. It's the fuel station. So this halt is 200 kilometers from Lucknow. So this is a total stretch of 300 kilometers from Lucknow till Agra, and from Agra till Greater Noida it is a stretch of around 170 kilometers, and from Greater Noida up till Gurgaon it is around 70 kilometers. So this is the total kilometers that I would be doing today. Guys, so this is the second part of the video, and I would be sharing all the stats of this bike that I have calculated all throughout my journey from Lucknow to Delhi. So since as I've told you, the stretch was of around 530 to 550 kilometers, and all throughout the journey, I left from Lucknow at around 10:30 in the morning. I have touched this, I was on the expressway, and I have reached Delhi, I have left the Yamuna Expressway exactly at around 5:30 in the evening. So so this was the time that it took for this stretch of 530 kilometers. I am not calculating the additional kilometers, like from my home till the Yamuna till the Agra Lucknow Expressway, and from the Greater Noida till Gurgaon. I'm not calculating all that kilometers. I am just calculating the total time it took on this expressway of 530 kilometers. Apart from that, the fuel consumption was around 1600 rupees. The total cost was 1600 rupees, and apart from that, the toll cost was 500 rupees. 505 rupees, like 300 was on Agra Expressway and 205 rupees on Yamuna Expressway. of one side. And apart from this, the bike experience like of riding this bike on the expressway was awesome, guys. Just believe me, like there was no sign of stress or overheating or anything as such on the bike. And it was continuously, I was continuously cruising at the speeds of 100 and 105 kilometers an hour, and there were no stress of overheating or the bike getting stressed or anything. So this have a top speed that I've checked of 145 kilometers an hour. And though I have not taken this bike till the limits, but yeah, I have driven up to 135 kilometers an hour on this expressway, and it performed excellent. Like after 130, yeah, the bike gets a bit stressed, but up till 130 it performs excellent. And I was cruising continuously for 6 hours 7 hours on this expressway at speeds of 105 kilometers an hour, and the bike performed excellent, guys, excellent. Like I'm really happy like with my decision of buying this bike. Yeah, so these were all the stats and all. And today I'm returning back to Lucknow from Delhi. And yeah, thank you, guys. So do hit like, comment on my videos, and share them with your friends and family members. And meet you in next video. So next video would probably be of another ride. So I'm planning to go on hills this time, either in Uttarakhand or anywhere. So I would be sharing all those experiences in my next videos. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you, thanks a lot.